Hey guys, Harrison here from Tool Talk, and today on Tool Talk TV we are doing an unboxing of the Tado Smart Thermostat Starter Kit. Just before we get into it, remember I am not a trades professional myself. I'm just going to show you what's in the box. So with that out of the way, let's get into it. Okay, so the full title of this is the Tado Starter Kit V3 Plus Wireless Smart Thermostat, including programmer with hot water control. I'm just going to dive into this bad boy. As I do, I'm going to read off of the side. So this actually says it's compatible with 95% of all central heating systems, which should make it easy to install pretty much anywhere. It even says it controls heating systems from all major manufacturers: Ariston, Baxi, British Gas, Glowworm, Ideal, Potterton, Valent, Worcester, and many more. Keyboard hands are lacking strength needed. Really showing yourself up here. Am I missing a trick? Is it a magic box? Okay. Okay, so we have got the thermostat. Very sleek, simple design. Some screws. Packaging. Welcome guide. We've got welcome guide, setup guide, manual for professional installers. Next, we have the internet bridge. Ethernet cable to USB and USB to 3-pin power supply. What else? More packaging. Ooh, some cable. And then I believe this is the wireless receiver. Some stickers to help you label the wires. More screws. More packaging, and then what is this? Technical specifications, tech specs for the internet bridge. Can't get it out. And finally, we've got tech specs for internet bridge, wireless temperature sensor, and wireless receiver. So that is it. That is the Tado Smart Thermostat Wireless Starter Kit. Simple, sleek, sexy. I like it.